Good morning, everyone. Natasha here, and around my home today, I am in our living room or family room. So I only have about 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes at the most before I need to leave to go walk to work. And today is Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. And I thought, this is what I need to do for some FlyLady things. So first off, I've already done my swish and swipe in my master bathroom today. And I just briefly wanted to touch on something. So if you've been following along, you know that I recently took on a new job, and so my schedule has changed a bit. I used to do our sheets off of our bed and my daughter's bed on Mondays because I was home and able to do that a little more easily. Well, now that I'm working on Monday, I could still do it in the evening, but I'm usually just tired and sort of needing to get ready for the rest of the week. So, sorry, should have checked everything before I started. Anyway, so I realized, okay, that just means I need to switch my schedule around. So this past weekend, I did all of our sheets on Sunday, and that worked great. So we started off Sunday night going to bed in clean sheets, and I feel like now I'm ahead of the game for the rest of the week versus feeling like I'm kind of behind and trying to squeeze it all in. And then the other, so basically my point is, don't be afraid to change your system or take the FlyLady system and tweak it to work for your lifestyle, your family, your schedule, whatever it is, because I know she says all the time, just make it work for you and keep doing something. Then the next thing I wanted to point out was that I have developed some of these different habits through the FlyLady system, and I think of them as a trigger system. So typically Monday was my sheet washing day. So now I'm going to just think about Sunday being the sheet washing day. So Sunday sheets, that's easy to remember. And for quite a while now, what I've done is Tuesday is my master bath day. So that's the day that I wash our towels and rugs in the master bathroom and then do the good swish and swipe and the floors. So typically throughout the week, we're pretty good at just keeping the counter wiped off and the sink handles all dried and shiny. We do have hard water, so if I leave water sit, I end up with little water spots. So I do wipe that down often. Honestly, a lot of times I just use the hand towel and I change it out once or twice a week. You might think that's gross, or you might say we do the same thing. Whatever works for you. I figure if we're drying our hands with clean hands, then it should be okay. Anyway, I know that FlyLady does a new rag every time she dries her hands, and that's great, but I just haven't ever implemented that system. And then the toilet stays pretty good. I actually don't swish it every day like the FlyLady does, because I find if I do it once a week, it's fine. Like, I don't necessarily need to. Sometimes it gets a little dusty, and then I might just take some tissue and wipe off the dust. But anyway, so Tuesdays, my focus is our master bathroom. It's really my weekly home blessing, but it just helps me to have that trigger to know that every Tuesday, that's what I do. And what I've been doing that has worked well is I put the load of laundry in the morning with the timer set so that it finishes about the time that I get home from work, and I can put it in the dryer. And then when I get home from work, while that's drying, I quickly do the floors. So then it's, comes out of the dryer, the sheets and towels, I put those down or hang them up wherever they go, and it's done. So it feels good to get that out of the way at the beginning of the week as well. So maybe think about implementing some sort of a trigger system for a few of those things that I really don't like doing bathrooms. That's my least favorite thing. And, as I've been growing up and been an adult for a while, I never seem to get around to doing the bathroom. So it's really helped me to just say every Tuesday I do that, and especially getting it done, the majority of it done first thing in the morning. When I get home, I feel like, oh, someone's already done most of the work. I'll just finish, even though I've been the one to do it. But it just helps to have that little system in place. So find something that you don't enjoy doing and maybe try to create a fun little trigger or system like that, and it might help. So anyway, I said I had short time. Here we go. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes, and here's what I need to tackle. And I'm going to show you the real life. Can you see? Let's see. That is supposed to be a desk where I work. Hard to see. And that is supposed to be a desk where I work, but I mentioned the other day I was so focused on doing our taxes that I kind of let things pile up there. So it's time to do something about it. And also, real life, these are my daughter's toys. And, you know, I keep saying, wait, look, there's more hiding back there. And there's more over here in this corner. So we'll get to it soon. It's driving me crazy, but it's just, I'm probably being too perfectionist about it. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is just try to find something to put away in the next 5 minutes. So first off is my large purse that I take with me on the days that I do the one job, which is Mondays and Wednesdays. So that can just get hung back up in the closet. So here's me not putting things away. So I will do that. Okay. And this is mail that I need to go through, and I will not do that, but I will take, so this is our family photo. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys. So this is my husband and me and my daughter, our daughter, the one that I gave birth to, that one. And this was our Christmas photo that we did at church. We had our parish directories are coming out soon, so we had to go get a picture taken for that. So I love that, and I want to hang it up, and I need to find a frame for it. I went digging in the basement looking for a frame this morning as part of my looking for a decluttering item, and I didn't really find one that I like that will work, so I think I need to stop at Goodwill next time in town. So I'm not going to put it on another hot spot. So this is just a pending, but I can take it off my desk for now. Okay, this is part of this that I need to deal with. I'm trying to actually make some progress here. So this I've already done. This I've already done. These go in here. That was the February issue. All right, these need to go out. That can go out. That is something I don't need. This is now old. This is old. See, you wait long enough and things are just irrelevant. Oh, but you could also just deal with them when they happen and then you don't have to mess with it, right? This is coming up, but I don't need it. And what's this? Oh, duplicate. Okay, I don't need that. And this I took care of. So this whole thing can be recycled. This needs to go in our taxes for, oh, it was already done. So this goes in this stack for taxes. Okay. And that leads me to this. So this is a stack of Jordan Essentials catalogs that I need to put a label on, but they don't need to sit on my desk. I have a whole bunch I put labels on. They're already out in the places I want them, so I'm going to put these in my storage closet. Okay, so that's that. What else? So this I need to read. This I need to read. This I don't need. It can go in there. This I need to read. So this is my to read stack, and this is my to deal with stack. So hopefully I can at least pare things down, and actually I know I can. Let's go through this real fast and get out what is recycling. And is there anything I need here? Okay, that can go up there. Oh, okay. So that was my 5 minutes. I'm gonna go through the mail real fast and just get out anything that I know right off the bat is junk mail. And that way at least this won't take as long to go through. So this, sorry, my nose got tickled. This, and this, and this can all go, and this can all go in my bills binder. And so when I have my desk day and sit down and pay bills, those will all be there. Okay, we're getting there. This is a user manual for the vacuum, and I don't know, it was just a vacuum from Aldi. It has maintenance and cleaning. So this goes in, I know I said it was my 5-minute timer and I'm continuing on, but this is what happens is you get going and you don't want to stop. All right, and I'm down to cards, so those I can, that goes in there. That's my appliance manuals binder, and I know I don't have to keep those, but periodically we go back in there and get them out, so I keep them. Okay, get those back in there. And what do we have here? Cards, those are all done. I do not need those. I don't know why I even had those out, actually. Okay. And this is done. This I don't need. And, okay, the rest of this I think I need to spend a little more time on. I'm pretty sure this was taken care of. Yes, I took care of that, so that can be recycled as well. Okay, well, I made a dent, and that's better than nothing. When I get home from work today, I'll try another 5 minutes to see if I can just make another dent. I know it doesn't look a whole lot better, but I got rid of a few little stacks and I made some progress, so that's all I can ask for. Let me go where the light's a little bit better. All right, so there we are. Hopefully you guys were able to get some decluttering done as well. Whoops, get my tripod to stand up. There we go. Okay, so thanks for joining me. I hope that helped get you a little bit more motivated to do some decluttering. I'm trying to get things level there. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. And I'm gonna keep showing you what I'm doing for FlyLady as we get through the rest of the week. And that's the end of February, which I forgot to mention. The whole point I'm in here is because, or the whole reason I'm in here is because we are in zone 5, which is the living room. So my desk is in the living room, and we definitely have lots of decluttering we could do in here and just general cleaning. So I'm gonna keep working on it and, you know, just try to stay positive, stay motivated, and keep doing something, right? So thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.